Hey, go on down to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com and get the document about serendipity and business. And there's some resources there. There's links in the document, and there's links in the YouTube video that's referenced. If you scroll down right above the Buy Me a Coffee, there's a link for today's episode.
You need to hear this if you're an entrepreneur. Success can come from the most unexpected places. Let's dive into some unbelievable business success stories that happen purely by chance. First up, we've got Post-it notes. Did you know they were invented by accident? Scientist at 3M was trying to create a super strong adhesive but ended up with a weak one instead. Now they're a staple in every office. Next, we have the legendary tale of Coca-Cola. Originally intended as a cure for headaches, it turned out to be a fizzy favorite. Talk about a happy accident, and don't forget about the Slinky. This classic toy was discovered when a naval engineer accidentally knocked a spring off his desk. Voila, instant fun for generations. So remember, entrepreneurs, not every mistake is a failure. Sometimes it's the start of your next big hit. Keep taking risks, and who knows, you might just stumble onto something amazing.
Why do 80% of YouTube viewers miss out on amazing content? Don't be one of them. If you've enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a new episode from Guy R. Cook. Got questions or feedback? Reach out to me using the secure contact form on theguyrcookreport.com. It's quick, easy, and safe. Join our growing community, stay in the loop, and be the first to know about our latest videos. So what are you waiting for? Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's keep the good times rolling. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.